On to commodities. Manisha is now joining in and she's focusing on metals. Manisha.
Thank you for that, Rima. Well, yes, after a very stellar April, we've seen the month of May start slightly on the weaker side for many of these metals. So in the month of April, many of these metals saw gains anywhere between 12 to 18% on the higher side. We saw multi-year highs for almost all metals there. But for this month, the street is reacting to the strength in US dollar index. And this is after the US Fed meeting yesterday, which suggests that you wouldn't perhaps see interest rates in the month of June as well. And it could be pushed ahead up to September. Now, that really seems to be bothering. And we've seen some prices come off. In any case, on the charts, the prices had been running up without too much of a correction. So that's exactly what we are seeing right now as well. The other reports also suggest that China, which has been buying a lot of metals on the lower side, could actually be looking to export metals now, which are on the higher side. There are some targets also being put out on how China would be exporting refined copper as well, as the prices are trading at around $10,000 a ton. Is the case with various other metals also. The export numbers from China could be on the positive side here. When you look at the prices within this week itself, well, they have started to soften. The markets do believe that for traders, this is a good time to take in some profit. But for investors, it is still a long-term structural bull run that could just about continue, because we have seen the global manufacturing data kind of supportive. And then it also is about demand coming in from various aspects, starting right from EVs to AIs, where you could be looking at a thrust coming in, especially for infrastructure as well. And the metals prices in that sense would be in focus. But as I said, for the week, there is a bit of a profit taking that we are seeing across board.
Okay, got it. So it's across the board on metals. It's also on oil. Manisha, thank you very much for the latest on the commodity markets. We'll take a break on that note, come back.